Hi guys. Um, I'm here today with my grandkids Chase and Brody, and uh, and I just wanted to show you an update on the spray booth that I built, because I added a light so that I could see better, and then I added another fan here because and then I sealed it up better too because there was a lot of holes that were leaking air through when the fans were running. So what I did was I added this plywood here, and I cut out two holes and fastened it to the one side of the spray booth. And then over here I added another fan, and now I should get tremendous draw because it was actually doing a pretty good job before I added the second one. So now it should really contain the polyurethane when I'm spraying. So I just wanted to give you this short video to show my improvements, and for next to nothing, you know, I created something here that I can spray poly or paint or whatever I want, even when it's cold outside. And I can't do it outside. So thanks for watching. See you next time.